Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to answer the question, did Freddie Mercury have extra teeth? Before we answer it though, let's look at some amazing mouths with extra teeth and other bizarre dental clips. The first clip comes to us from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. This individual does indeed have 4 teeth growing in an unusual place. Here's a photo that was published online years ago to represent hyperdontia, a condition where the person has extra teeth. We determined the photo to be fake back in 2014. Before we give you your answer, here's an example of what a tonsillectomy looks like. Why does this remind me of Dr. Bart's throat scraping?
Good afternoon, Principal Stinkface.
Dr. Bart?
Let's see. According to your charts, you're due for your annual throat scraping. Uh-oh.
So the answer is that Freddie Mercury's distinctive grin was the result of having 4 extra teeth in the back of his mouth, which pushed those at the front forward. He always refused to have his teeth fixed, fearing it would affect his vocal ability. Do you think it would have? Comment below. I don't know if this was addressed in the new movie Bohemian Rhapsody, but if anybody's seen that and knows, tell us in the comments. So hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time. Ooh, hit like too.
My name is Gabby, and I have been doing Rest More for almost a year and a half now, and I'm really persistent on this product. I love it. It has made me so where I just take 2 of them, and in about 30 minutes or so, I am relaxed and I can go to sleep very well. It doesn't make me necessarily knocked out and completely drowsy, but it definitely puts my mind and my body in the right state to where I can go to sleep in a relaxed and calm state.